Factories never sleep, but downtime, theft, or safety violations can cost millions in a heartbeat. Leaders need real visibility across every production floor, warehouse, and loading dock. That's where Durance's AI-driven VMS delivers control. It continuously monitors key zones, spotting unauthorized entries, machine stoppages, or safety lapses before they become major issues. Automatic alerts with video evidence go straight to supervisors for rapid action. Duranc also integrates with SCADA and PLC systems, so managers can see exactly what went wrong and why at the machine level. With cloud dashboards, entire plants can be monitored in real time from anywhere. For manufacturers, visibility means fewer accidents, less downtime, and stronger profits. Duranc turns operational risk into operational intelligence. See beyond surveillance. Lead with intelligence.